it was great, very insightful, very informative. We got so many new insights, especially on AI and how we see AI moving forward. Really opens more horizons and point of view.
So to attend this kind of event, it's broader our horizons and making us to fully understand more about AI, especially with the upcoming challenges from the industry and the technology sectors.
So I think it's also from our perspective, it's not all that good about AI, right? There are risks as well.
Yes.
So we want to highlight those risks, especially when it comes to digital identity, which we think is very critical. So we just want to make sure that, don't think AI is just it's all nice and there's also risks. So please be aware of that.
So it's been a good experience for us. So there's a lot of engagement. So yeah, lots of people coming in. So it's very good event so far.
I think the event is not good, but great.
Oh, amazing!
Great. Speakers are great, people are great. The food are great. So I think this is a great event and very beneficial for players in this banking, financial services, and insurance.
No, it's been great because the whole purpose is to learn from each other, from people in the industry, get their insights, right? So far, I've gotten to meet some very interesting people, understand sort of the market a little bit better, right? So I'm hoping to gain a lot more over the course of the event.
It's been a fruitful discussion with the speaker, yeah. Plus we get to know firsthand a sneak peek on one of our speakers company is doing something exciting, something big coming up in 1 or 2 years. And I've known the leadership of that company also in technology, very promising people.